out in the woods after Zip and I cleared this trail, and it's morning time, sunrise. It's beautiful. It's so quiet and still in here. And Kate and I joke all the time that we live in a jungle, and while we're in New England, there's just so much plant matter. Oh man, it's perfect. It's a quick 1-minute dog walk today. It's been a long time since I've made one of these videos, but yeah, having the path cut through so you don't feel like you're collecting all of the ticks or getting all of the poison ivy. It's nice. It's not a even path. You trip from time to time, so you gotta watch your footing. But man, is it nice. Good way to start the day. Good way to end the day. Pretty much good anytime you can get back here. And the leaves are gonna start to change as we get into fall. You know, it's mid to late August now. And we'll keep clearing trails and going for walks. Feel comfortable doing this with the dog. Because if you saw on the news, and my lived experience is that Connecticut has become bear country. So you get out into the trail and you're like singing songs, making noise, making sure the dog is close, because I really love to not run into a bear. And just enjoy the morning. Hope you have a good day today. Hope you get to see some nature. And if not, thanks for joining me for a couple minutes to share some of mine. Talk to you soon.